her dog. It's a girl. What's the dog name again?
Mommy, do we got church this week?
No.
Yeah, epic.
Huh? Oh
You
no,
wanna go to
Bear.
epic?
Huh? Bear. The dog named Bear. And y'all, we just no. Her name not Bear. Her name Disco. No, my dog named Disco. Y'all, my dog at the house chilling. Say what's up, Ma. Say what's up, Lee.
You.
And y'all, we just chilling. We on our way home. Just got from my grandma's. Say what's up, Mommy.
What's up?
And my sister recording. She just got her iPad. Say y'all. Say hey, y'all. Y'all say hey to the other y'all. And y'all, we just chilling on our way home. We're just chilling doing this. And y'all, I'm gonna set y'all up right here. So y'all can see. Oh! Y'all can't see. I'm down below. Can you see? Okay. Do it this way, y'all.
People like me.
Okay, y'all. I thought it was gonna work. Nothing seemed to work. Ah, there we go, y'all. We just chilling, right? We just chilling in the park. Wait, you still recording, Mom? Yeah. Dang, y'all. Try to put it right there. Y'all, I don't know if this could work. Come here, Daddy. Mommy, everybody at school, they be watching my YouTube videos.
What
And they
YouTube video?
I be making YouTube videos.
Hey,
Yeah, and they watch the videos too.
they watch Lee.
Yeah. No, they just found out.
The devil is a liar.
You stink. Mama, the dog is choking. That's what my Y'all, we loosen the dog collar up. And here it goes. We loosen it up. The dog is choking at my grandma. And we got him off the leash. Yeah, my grandma was scared of it. So we had to put him on a leash. But the leash was inside, y'all.
Put one of those things she got for food line in the oven. No long.
I seen the ring camera.
I'm not taking the ring camera off your phone, because if I start helping to work from home, y'all do a whole lot of snitching. You saw the ring camera today from this morning.
I checked the ring camera this morning.
Yeah, you saw it from this morning. You ain't seen me come from home.
And the cameras was black. And mommy, the mailman, I seen the mailman.
For real?
Yeah. And they see me backing up.
I don't know what you doing here, time.
I know. And y'all, we at home. And I'll see y'all later. Peace. We're gonna see y'all. Psych! Peace. Psych. Who's gonna take the dog? Me? Or who? I don't know. Mommy. And nobody's gonna care if I'm not.
Huh?
Yeah. Y'all, it's raining. Y'all can see in the background, the window back there. It's raining, but peace.